Ulit!
Gusto mo i-enroll kita sa grammar school? Ako na magbabayad ng tuition mo.
Hindi. Hi, good morning. Ready na ako. Ready na ba kayo? Let's go! Wala pa. Napansin din natin. Just waiting for me to pick up. Hi, Doc! Good morning! Hi, Doc. We're going to Hong Kong.
Daiyan pwede.
This is the octopus card that we will use sa pagsakay ng train. It's nice. Ganda. Xiaolongbao. Malapit na kami sa hotel. So excited. Hi. So beautiful naman. It's beautiful, oh. Our room is nice. It's nice, ganda. Di ba? Kaya ito din. Ito lang yung outfit natin. Ano yung sinisimbolize niyan doon?
Ito? Luck. Infinity.
Okay, dito ako na sa mall na merong mga sobrang mahal na gamit. Ayan. Siyempre bibili ako. Meron ako ito. Dadagdagan pa natin. Ano ka ba? Subway of Hong Kong. And this is Nymphia Wind. Hi, Nymphia. Sasakay na kami ni Doc ng ferry.
Bakit madilim?
Haggard. Hindi mo kaya, sasakay ako ng ferry. Hindi mo kaya. AIA. Magbenta ka na daw. It's a sign. Pacific Place na us. Saka na. Oh, ang cute ng elevator nila, oh. It's triangle. Diba? Ayan na yung aking magiging panghabang buhay. Sigo Yard. We have here available Dior. That's Louis Vuitton. And then that's Louis Vuitton. And yeah, these are my regular shop where I shopping. Hui! That's just my reaction. We're here at Pick. So ayun, pa namin nahanap, yung hinahanap namin. This is a sad evening. Bye for now. Ayan na yung roller coaster. Bakit na kami ng heaven? Day 2. Fit-check lang kami. In-hermet lang ako na channel na. Eh. Pababa na kami. Day 2. Watch out. Because we're about to begin. My favorite from France, croissant. Croissant. Kita kami ngayon ng Chili Nunnery. Do you know that? You need to search it for you to find it. Of course, always protect your eyes with Gentle Monster.
Hours lang kami. Over.
120. Dito ako.
Ganun natin.
Hi.
Hi.
We're here at, ano kasi ito?
Truly Nunnery.
Truly Nunnery. Ang daming Chinese. Hinahanap namin si Alice. Charis! We are here at Ngongpin. Diyan. Ang sarap ng amoy dito. Wala pang food. The best. Aakyat kami ngayon. This is my first ever cable car. Diba?
Ride. Lagyan mo ng ride.
This is the first ever I will ride a cable. Ulit.
Ulit.
This is the first time
First time
that I will ride
a cable car.
a cable car.
Ayun.
Do you know what is a cable car? A cable car is a car that is in the cable. Let's go! We will ride a cable car. Hi, we're moving up. Moving up ceremony.
Graduation. Reach mo to by bus. Pero iikot siya ang layo.
Mga oras daw. But this is so beautiful, oh. Diba? Hi, baby.
Ang tsaka.
I'm with my mom. May mom ba kayo? Para marami kaming mabiling ano.
Hermes.
Charot. Hermes.
Silent H. Okay?
Hermes.
I wanna correct everyone. It's not Hermes.
Okay.
It's Hermes. Okay?
Hermes.
Silent H. If you know, you know.
You know.
Bye.
Now you know. It's not Hermes. It's Hermes. So what's the feeling of revisiting, Doc?
Wala lang. just nice to see this beautiful place again.
Yes. You want to see the
But
beautiful...
I came here to Jericho,
Yes.
so he can see the big Buddha, and at the same time,
She came here to...
she ka talaga, bakla. He.
No, she.
Me. Okay,
She
I am
came here to...
Ano?
Ang hirap mag-English, be.
Gusto mo i-enroll kita sa grammar school? Ako na magbabayad ng tuition mo.
Hindi mo ulit.
He wants.
Wants.
With S. Kasi
She
singular
wants. Okay.
With S.
While you're
Singular
watching, you are learning.
And there's the Buddha. Tama.
And here you go. Pauwi na kami.
Ang init.
Dahil mainit.
Kailangan namin mag-freshen up para sa next laban.
Umpisa pa lang ito ng laban. Kasi meron pang grand finals. Pagod na ang aking mother.
Pagod na si mother. Kailangan na niya ng greeting therapy.
At pauwi na nga kami. Kung kayo po ay nanonood, tulungan niyo po kami. Kindly dial 1378. 5. Mga day 1% na lang ako. So, babalikan ko kayo kapag nakapag-charge na ako. Okay? See you for now. Bye for later. Ha?
Ano?
Bye for now. See you later. Fresh na naman po ang mga balat namin. Palabas na po kami ng hotel. OA. OA ang pila, be. Be. For iPhone 16, oh. Ito yung trube. Day 3. Day 3. Magana yung mukha. Fresh! Good morning!
That's mo.
Alam mo ba, meron na yung video. Kaya super siguro. Good morning!
Good morning. Sorry po namamag ang aming mga mata.
Yes. Sobrang tulog.
Dahil sobrang pagod.
Yes.
Kasi
Kasi
aklang kasama
ang mga atake namin, sinobrahan namin. Pupunta kami ng coach. I got it! Last day! Bye-bye, Marco Polo! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! The bag is so beautiful, oh. Like, it's so minimalist lang. And then, frito. And then, ayan. If sinubukan mo siyang suot. Ayan, ganyan lang atake niya. Ganda, no? We're done. Nakalagpas na kami. Punta kami ng lounge. Yan. Plaza First Premium. Hello. Waiting here para mag-open yung ano.
Take your life vest inside the aircraft. The lock.
Perfect! Oh, diba? This will be the last video dahil uuwi na kami. Thank you, Philippine Airlines! Bye for now! See you next time!